as always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. What's going on, everybody? Today we've got the Columbia back here, and what's going on is they're a little worried about the tiny pinholes that are in the frame, and as you can see with this up-close picture, you can actually see those little tiny pinhole holes in the frame, which probably would be filled in with the paint. However, we're going to take the extra precaution and we're going to go ahead and get this repaired by using some silver solder. And I'm going to get some of the paste and I'm going to put it in place. We're going to go ahead and solder it up, and hopefully we'll be able to get this thing painted. Let's get started. Now, we're going to be using our eye protection, and we're going to be getting some of this soldering paste, and we're going to apply it to just the area, and we don't want to get any of this on our skin. So we're going to get this on there. Okay. We're going to get our torch and we're going to get our solder. Alright. That did not turn out as well as I was hoping it would. We're going to apply a little bit more flux. Now, I have never used silver solder before, away. Now, as much as it pains me, I think I might have met my match. Now, the customer wasn't 100% happy with the job I've done to it because the two different steels that this, well, the steel that this frame was made out of, I just guessed on the type of steel it was, which I just guessed a standard high tensile steel. And the two metals were not mixing together 100%. There's actually gaps. As you can see, if you look really closely, you can actually see where the two pieces of metal just didn't melt together very good. So the place that's going to be doing the powder coating suggested just use some silver solder. That's never failed. So I was doing the silver solder, and I was using the proper flux, and the silver solder also didn't seem to bond as well as I'd like to the steel here. However, it is better. It is better because there is some silver that did stick some places that were not as good. I had good coverage on it, but whenever I decided to try to hit it with a little bit of sandblaster, it ended up taking off the little tiny little crevices. You can actually see the two different colors, and the more white looking one, or the lighter gray, that is actually the silver that I used, and then you can see the darker gray is the actual steel that I used, and the steel of the frame. So I think I'm just going to say it's going to have to do. I've done as much as I can, because if I keep messing with this, yes, it is a little bit better, but if I keep messing with this, I'm going to mess up royally. So I am very confident that if they put a powder coat on this, that'll completely cover any blemishes. Let's see, I've been very careful not to touch this frame. Now on the other side, it's a hair bit better as well. However, same thing, it's just a little bit better, and if I keep messing with it, it's going to be bad. So I've done as much as I can. I hope the customer understands, and I learned something from this that'll help me in the future. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your friends about this, about us, and check out some of the other videos on the corner of the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.